Conducting a school morning assembly in English involves creating a structured and engaging session that sets a positive tone for the day. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to conduct a school morning assembly. Preparation. Plan the assembly agenda in advance. Decide on the order of events and topics to be covered. Coordinate with teachers, students, and any other participants who will be involved in the assembly. Prepare any necessary materials, presentations, or announcements. Gathering participants. Ensure everyone is present and attentive. Opening. Start with a warm welcome and a cheerful greeting to set a positive tone. Briefly introduce yourself and mention the purpose of the morning assembly. National anthem or pledge, if applicable. If your school follows the practice of singing the national anthem or reciting the pledge, this is usually done at the beginning of the assembly. Thought for the day. Begin with a short inspirational quote, thought, or message that promotes positive thinking and motivation. Announcements. Share important announcements, such as upcoming events, deadlines, or changes in the schedule. Make sure to present the information clearly and concisely. Student achievements. Recognize and celebrate the achievements of students, whether in academics, sports, arts, or other areas. Highlight their accomplishments and contributions to the school community. Educational content. Include a brief educational segment, such as a fun fact, a word of the day, or a quick trivia question. This can be a way to engage students and enhance their knowledge. Cultural or awareness activities. Dedicate a part of the assembly to cultural performances, presentations on important days, example, World Environment Day, or discussions about social issues. This helps broaden students' horizons and promotes awareness. Values and moral education. Share stories, anecdotes, or discussions that emphasize important values, ethics, and moral lessons. Encourage students to reflect on these teachings and apply them in their daily lives. Guest speakers, if applicable. Invite guest speakers, such as teachers, community leaders, or experts, to address the students on specific topics. Ensure their talk is relevant, engaging, and age-appropriate. Special performances. Showcase talent from students, such as music performances, dance routines, or skits. This adds an element of entertainment and engagement to the assembly. Closing. Summarize the key points covered during the assembly. Thank everyone for their participation and attention. Encourage students to approach teachers or staff with any questions or concerns. Dismissal. Dismiss students in an organized manner, usually by grade or class, to avoid crowding. Feedback. Consider gathering feedback from teachers and students to continuously improve the morning assembly experience. Remember that the morning assembly is an opportunity to inspire, inform, and engage students, so tailor your approach to the needs and values of your school.